Hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm coming to you with week 11. We are just trucking along with these Diva Spotlight segments, creators of the week. I'm loving bringing these to you and I hope you are enjoying them too. I would hope that after you view this, you would go over to the person that I am spotlighting, check their channel out, show them some love, and tell them I sent you, okay? Now this person here, I've known for just a short time. I'm pulling someone out of my sister circle that I belong to, which this circle is a group of women. Most of these channels are fairly new to YouTube, but we do have some, like myself, involved in this sister circle as well, and we love to learn things about YouTube to bring better content to our viewers. And this one here, like I said, I've known for just a short time, but I'm loving what she is doing. This person here teaches traditional cooking skills, including how to cook from scratch, which we don't see too often anymore. And me personally, I would love to get back to doing that. She teaches how to can, how to make nutrient-dense foods, including bone broths, cultured dairy, ferments, sourdough starter, and her way is foolproof. It's a foolproof starter, and sourdough bread, and how to soak and sprout grains so that you can make sprouted flour at home. Isn't that interesting? She loves to show how to be a modern pioneer in the kitchen, no matter where you live. She's a former New Yorker, but she loves living the simple life now with her husband. And she has been a modern pioneer in the kitchen for over 20 years. So whether your kitchen is in a city apartment, in a house in the suburbs, or in a farmhouse in the country, come join her as we find joy living as modern pioneers in the kitchen. Now, who am I talking about? Who am I talking about? And I know if some of my sisters in the sister circle, if they're watching, they already know. I am talking about the one, the only, Mary's Nest. I'm going to stroll her feed a little bit, let you glance at some of the things that she's bringing, the content that she's bringing to her channel. She has a beautiful channel, and you will learn so many things from her. Just in the short time that I've known of her channel, I have acquired a lot of information from her. So the spotlight person for this week, week 11, is Mary's Nest. Now tune in each Sunday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, for a new spotlight person, creator of the week. I love, again, bringing you new channels for you to enjoy. I like spotlighting these people because I enjoy them too. Now guys, I'm going to combine a video with the spotlight person. I'm going to start doing this every week. So I hope you enjoy. This will be a Dollar Tree haul. I've been holding all of this merchandise. I don't know about you, and I'm talking to the creators. I have a corner that I place bags and bags of stuff until I can record, and I'm sick of looking at these Dollar Tree bags. So I want to record this video and get it out so I can put this stuff away. So next you will see a Dollar Tree haul. I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, now we're going to jump into a Dollar Tree haul, and I'm doing this because baby boy wants to jump into these cereal. I'll probably make me a bowl myself. It's the family size banana nut bread Cheerios. Limited edition. I never did see these in the store, but I'm sure they're good. I know hubby's going to dive into these too. I picked up 2 boxes. They look very, very good. The expiration date on these is September 24th, 2019. I cannot wait to try these. If you've tried these, let me know what you thought of them in the comment section down below if you bought these from Dollar Tree. Alright, sticking with the foods, I picked up this Velveeta cheesy potatoes, hash browns. I like using these not only for dinner, but for breakfast. This kind of reminds me of the hash brown casserole at Cracker Barrel. So I picked up 2 boxes. And guys, excuse the nails. I also picked up a jar of the On the Border Monterey Jack queso dipping for my tortillas. Our basketball team, the Orlando Magic, NBA, they're in the playoffs. So I thought this would be perfect to have as a snack and munch on while we're watching the games. So yeah. I picked up 2 of these. I thought these were really pretty. One in pink and one in gray. I think they also had one in a mint color, but I did not get that one. But I can see so many things done with these. So I picked up the colors that I would use. I also picked up 2 of the silver candles. I think I'm going to stock up on these for the holidays. When the holidays come around, I will have them. I saw this and I thought this was super, super cute. It's a Whim decal with the palms and the hibiscus flowers. Thought this was really, really nice. These are peel and stick. They're showing it here on a laptop or telephone. Thought that was so pretty. And then I picked up a pack of these ink clicks pens. Again, it's a set of 8. So I hope these write very well. I can use these in my planner. Now Dollar Tree is stepping up their game as far as their art, their wall art, and they had several of these in different styles, but I picked up this one that says keep it simple. Looks like a shadow box almost. And I picked up this pack of 2, and I've picked up these before in red, but this is a snack container set of 2. I like putting little small things as far as my cleaning caddy that I may need in these. So I just picked up this one pack here. I picked up a pack, or I picked up this Colgate Icy Blast toothpaste. This is one of my family's favorites. Something new to Dollar Tree is this Daily Defense cleansing water for your face. and this is for dry and sensitive skin. They did have another one, and I can't recall what that one was for. But yes, I picked up this, and I hope this works. As I get older, my skin is drying out, and it's also sensitive, so picked up that. And boy, did these go fast in the Dollar Tree. These fur flops, I would wanted to sit down and dig through them to find my size, because I have a big foot, y'all. We're a large 9'10", but this was the only size I could find. And I love this camo color in the hot pink. That is super cute to me. So I only found one pair. Something I could slide on my feet in the house if I want to. Now I have 3 of these. I'm trying to beef up my tapered candle collection. Not that I need any more candles, but I do not have that many tapered candles, and I wanted some just in white only. So I picked up 3 packs, and it has 2 in each pack. Now for my granddaughter, I picked up 4 packs of these pink hangers. Pink is her favorite color, she says, but she switches colors, guys. So I saw these, hubby saw these too, and was like, yes, we're going to get some for her. So we picked up 4 packs, and probably will pick up a few more for her in the pink. And this is a pack of 6. Now when I saw these garden flags, I had to get them. I love garden flags. Anything to bring a pop of color in my yard, yes. This one has the word welcome on it, with the flamingo and hibiscus on it. I don't know if it's picking up that well. Get a little closer shot there. But this flag is so pretty. Now for $1, you cannot beat it. Beautiful. And then I had to get this one. This garden flag with the bike. I actually was on the search for this one, and I found these in Jacksonville when we went up there last weekend. So this was the main one I was looking for. I picked up these party napkins. These were in the Easter section. I picked these up for my coffee station that I have not shown yet. Well, by the time you see this, it will be shown. So I picked that up. And we're getting ready to dye some eggs. My granddaughter wants to do an Easter party. So this is what we'll be doing. We're going to dye some eggs, and I picked up these coloring cups, and they have the little dye kit inside. So I have that, as well as this cute little Easter bunny to put our eggs in. How cute is that? In her favorite color, pink. Hubby picked up these raffle tickets because we're getting ready to have the baby shower for my grandbaby. I have not let you all in on the gender yet. I will soon. But yes, Dollar Tree had these raffle tickets, so we picked up a pack. So yes, Dollar Tree had these raffle tickets, and we picked up a pack for door prizes. Dollar Tree has some cute signs, and this one here has been all over YouTube. Gratitude is the best attitude. I knew I wanted this, and was on the search for it, and finally found it. Love this quote. This is another must-have sign. Welcome family and friends. With the pineapple theme. You already know, if you've been watching me, I love the pineapples. And I'm sure you will see them coming soon to the channel again. So yeah, had to have that sign as well. Dollar Tree also had these beautiful frames. This is a 4x6 in the turquoise and gold. You already know, if you've been watching me, this is one of my favorite colors. I don't use it that much in my home, and I need to because it's a beautiful color. I do have like the tealish color in my room, but I need to pick up on the turquoise in my home because it is one of my favorite colors. But yeah, I saw this frame. Dollar Tree is now putting out items for Mother's Day. Heads up to all that loves Dollar Tree. But yeah, I picked this up. And I also picked up 2 of these BPA free water bottles. Christy, you will be getting one of these. Christy's coming to see me this coming week. And we're going to be out and about, so these will be much needed. So yeah, I bought her one and myself one. We're planning on doing the Kennedy Space Center tour, as well as some shopping. So this will be much needed, and this is slim enough we can slide in our purse, won't take up too much room, or we can carry them and it won't be so bothersome. So yeah, I picked up 2 of these. It's beginning to be grill season. I'm so looking forward to it. It's actually in the 80s, mid 80s here in Florida, Central Florida. But Dollar Tree has these bamboo cutting boards. I need to pick up a few of these to put out on our modular grill for hubby. See how thick that is? This is a nice piece of bamboo board. Very nice. And speaking of the grill, this is a wire grill cleaner brush. Much needed for hubby. When I saw this, I had to have this for him so he can clean the grill easier. The grill grades. One more item for the grill is this grill topper. Saw this, and this was a must-have as well, to put kebabs or corn or different things that you love to have on the grill, and you don't have to worry about them falling into the grill. This will catch it all and hold it in place. So this was a must-have, and to find it at Dollar Tree is awesome. And guys, when I saw these utensils in the marble, with the marble handles, I was like, OMG, but they won't fit in my kitchen, but I want them. So they will be going out to use on the grill as well, because we cook out there. We have a full-size, pretty much modular kitchen out there. So, and we needed some utensils out there, and I said, okay. I cook out there too. Hubby might not like these because he really don't care, but I do. And lastly, guys, I always dig through the bracelets now. So I picked up 2 of these beaded bracelets for myself, because I love wearing the stretch bracelets, because bracelets are hard to find for my wrists, being a plus size gal like myself. But I picked up these 2 here. Tell me in the comment section below, what are some of the items that you are finding in the Dollar Tree right now? Are you as hooked on Dollar Tree as I am? I love walking my Dollar Tree to come across different things that I need. I'm kind of being particular with the things that I pick up now. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.